If you are still struggling to be profitable as a trader, I am going to show you exactly how I was able to make over $5,000 in just a weekend on Bitcoin. Before we continue, I highly advise that you take your time to watch this video to the end. I know it is going to be hard for you to stay focused, but ask yourself, what is the alternative? More losing? If you're fine with that, then fine, bye-bye. But if you're not, let's begin. Bitcoin, as you know, is a cryptocurrency, which means we are allowed to trade it on weekends as the cryptocurrency market does not close, being a decentralized system and all. Many people shy away from trading BTC either because one, they don't really know how to, or two, it is chaotic beyond comfort. I have a solution to both of these issues. Solution one, you really don't need to be in your trades for that long. And solution two, because you aren't in your trades for that long, you really only need to be able to figure out the direction right now. So how do we do this? Well, this is really the hard part. It isn't hard, honestly. It just requires a bit of practice. What I am doing is using my experience to tell me whether or not to take the trade. To get to this level of trading, in my opinion, it requires you to put in so much practice time. Whether it be live trading, demo trading, or simulating, practice is practice. The experience I'm referring to in this case is being able to understand what the market is doing right now and making decisions based off of that. You can say what you want, but you cannot argue with results. Being able to do what I'm doing here, even on a demo, is not something you'd be able to replicate without some practice or proper understanding. So what exactly it is I'm doing? Well, it is simple and complex at the same time. I'm looking for clues that the market is giving me that it may be attempting to do something. For instance, I'm looking for the market to suggest to me that it is tired of going bearish, which may suggest a buy. Clues such as exhaustion, candles getting smaller and smaller, and maybe a few candles over time has reduced in size and the momentum is slowing down. These clues help me to understand what the market is trying to tell me and thus make my decisions real time. The other trick to this is being able to decipher this information in real time and make a decision to place a trade right then and there or to not engage. Once I place a trade, I'm honestly not looking for much profit, as like I said, the market is so chaotic. I really don't want to be exposed for that long at all. As soon as I see profit, I close the trade. If the market goes against me, I close the trade. In other words, I cut both winners and losers short very quickly. The trade happens so quickly, I don't even have time to put a stop loss on the trade. Now, it sounds unorthodox because we've been taught to always use a stop loss, but I want to draw a parallel for you. Think about how quick the exchange of a product for money transaction happens. Seconds. You hand me the product and I hand you the money, and we are both done with that. Isn't that a trade too? So why can't we do the same thing in the market? Well, I can, and I do. The key is having enough experience to be able to know when and who to give the money to and who to not engage with. To be able to learn this process isn't something that comes without practicing, however. And even though in this video I am using the replay mode, let the profit speak for itself. I work with traders on a one-on-one level to show them exactly what it is I am thinking at any given time and explain why I think a trade would have worked or didn't. My goal when working with you is simple. I aim to teach you to be able to think and act like a trader rather than have you mindlessly follow a strategy or signal like a zombie. I respond to messages the fastest on Telegram at Brandon Evo, so you can find me there for more information, or you can click the link in the description. Have a good and safe trading week this week, guys. See you soon.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build